Okay, welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. Today I want to do a quick video on how to check if there's any firmware updates. So the first thing you do is go to FN, click that. They come over here to update and you long press it. And it goes in here. It tells you to check for updates, so we're going to click check for updates. Verifying process, software is up to date. And that's it, I'm good for now. Last update I did added this right here. When you click it, this is the host, the way to log into someone else's K4. And then I could operate from their station, or they can operate from my station. Pretty neat, especially if you got a buddy that's got a nice DX setup. Hope you found this helpful. Please remember, like, share, ding that bell to catch my videos, and a like is always appreciated. It helps out my channel. 73s, my friends.